So in this class we solve some problems. So in the last class I have given you two problems as an exercise. Okay, so I hope you have solved those problems, but anyhow I will solve now. If u is equal to log root of x square plus y square, then find x du by dx plus y du by dy. Okay, so this is the given problem. So first we write the given equation, that is u is equal to log root of x square plus y square. Now differentiating with respect to x, call this equation as 1. Differentiating 1 partially with respect to x and y. So we get du by dx is equal to, so we differentiate with respect to x, so we keep y as constant, so differentiation of this log is 1 divided by square root of x square plus y square, and again differentiation of square root of x square plus y square is 1 by 2 root of x square plus y square. Okay, 1 by 2 root of x square plus y square into differentiation of x square plus y square with respect to x is 2x, just by applying chain rule. Okay, so which gives du by dx is equal, here 2, this 2 get cancelled, x divided by this square root of x square plus y square into square root of x square plus y square, it is x square plus y square. Okay, so now what we do, here we have x into du by dx, correct? So multiply with x, multiply both sides by x, multiply both sides by x, we get, so x into du by dx is equal to, so here we multiply both sides with x, so it gives x into du by dx is equal to x into x, x square divided by x square plus y square. Okay, now similarly differentiating partially with respect to y, so du by y is equal to, so differentiate this partially with respect to y, again it is 1 divided by square root of x square plus y square into again differentiation of root of x square plus y square, it is x square plus y square into differentiation of x square plus y square with respect to y, it is 2y. So here 2 and this 2 get cancelled, which gives y divided by x square plus y square. Okay, so now in this case here we have y into du by dy, so multiply with y, multiply both sides with y, which gives y du by dy is equal to y square divided by x square plus y square. Okay, so now call this equation as 2 and this as 3. Now adding 2 and 3. Okay, adding 2 and 3. We get x dou by dou x plus y dou by dou y is equal to, okay, so x dou by dou x is x square plus x square divided by x square plus y square, then y dou by dou y is y square divided by x square plus y square, y square divided by x square plus y square. Now taking both the sides, x square plus y square as LCM, so here it is multiplied with 1, okay, so this is multiplied with 1 and this is also multiplied with 1, so x square into 1 x square, y square into 1 y square, so this will get cancelled, which is equal to 1. Okay, thus x dou by dou x, so thus x dou by dou x plus y dou by dou y is equal to 1, which is the required condition. Okay, so like that we solve the given problem by using partial derivatives. Similarly, we take one more problem on this. If u is equal to x raised to y, then show that dou square u by dou x dou y is equal to dou square u by dou y dou x. Okay, so this we have to prove. So here solution, u is equal to x raised to y is given. Now we differentiating with respect to x. Dou u by dou x is equal to, so here x raised to y, so x is a variable, we are differentiating with respect to y, with respect to x, y is constant. Now this is of the form x is a, we are differentiating with respect to x and y is constant, right? So it is of the form x raised to n. If x raised to n, then its differentiation is n into x raised to n minus 1, correct? So here dou by dou x is y into x raised to y minus 1, correct? Okay, this is dou by dou x. So next we differentiating one more time with respect to y. So differentiating with respect to y, so which gives dou square u by dou y square is equal to, sorry, dou square u by dou x dou y, dou x dou y is equal to, so already we differentiate this with respect to y, means x is constant and y is variable. Now you know differentiation of a raised to ax. So a raised to, this is if y is, or a raised to x, here a is constant and x is variable. So what is the differentiation of a raised to x? It is a raised to x into log a, correct? So here we are differentiating with respect to y, means both the sides the y will appear, so therefore we apply product rule. So first function as it is, differentiation of this one. So while differentiating this, we are differentiating with respect to y now. Already we have differentiated with respect to x and we obtained dou by dou x. Okay. Now differentiating this dou by dou x with respect to y. So when we differentiate dou by dou x with respect to y, now we treat x as constant, right? So therefore here y is variable, first function as it is, differentiation of this one. So this is x, it is a constant to the variable, so it is of the form a raised to x. So a raised to x log a, so x raised to y minus 1 log a. Okay, this is differentiation of first function. Next, plus second function as it is, differentiation of y with respect to y is 1. It is 1. So this is dou square u by dou x dou y. Dou square u by dou x dou y. Okay, so in other words, this is one form. Call this equation as okay. Now second one, again what we have, u is equal to x raised to y. Now differentiating with respect to first y, so which is dou u by dou y is equal to, now with respect to, again x is constant, again it is of the form a raised to x, okay. So where x is constant and y is variable, and we are differentiating with respect to y. Here also a raised to x, a is constant and x is variable, and its differentiation with respect to x is a raised to x log a. Same way here, x raised to y log x. This is dou by dou y. Next, differentiating with respect to now x, so which is equal to dou square u by dou y dou x is equal to, with respect to x means where both the sides, on both the terms x is there, so we apply the product rule. So first function as it is, differentiation of log x is 1 by x, plus second function as it is, differentiation of x raised to y with respect to x now, so it is y into x raised to y minus 1, or in other words, bring this x here, x raised to y minus 1 plus log x into y, x raised to y minus 1. Okay, so now consider this one equation. This is dou square u by dou y dou x. Then so here dou square u by dou x dou y. Okay, now this is equal to what? Y into x, y raised to y minus 1 log x plus x raised to y minus 1. And similarly here, y log x raised to y minus 1 plus x raised to y minus 1. So both are one and same. So therefore, dou square u by dou y dou x is equal to dou square u by dou x dou y. So this is the solution of the given problem. Okay, so with this, I conclude this class and continue in the next class. Thank you.